If I had to sum up this year with one word, that word would be shortages. So I've already made my list and I've checked it twice, and I am not waiting for Black Friday to get my shopping done this holiday season. So if you're like me and you don't want to wait, and you have a mechanic on your list this year, check out my top 3 picks for mechanics in 2021. We start right now. All 3 gift ideas today are available on Amazon, so I've left links for each one of them down below the like button. Let's get going with my favorite tool that I've picked up this year. It's this Pry Bar from Metalmagerie. People have been calling this Superman's fingernail because it's made of a super strong steel alloy, which makes it durable enough to pry even oil pans off of engines. But it's also gentle enough to pry plastic trim or panels out of the interior of your car. Seems like every car now is made like a Lego. It's got snapped together plastic pieces that go together real easy, but you need a pry bar like this to take them apart. Or one like this. This is what I used to use, and it's made out of plastic, but you can see that it's not very durable and it can get torn up. Since adding this tool to my toolbox, I've used it every time I've had to take off a plastic panel from the interior of a car, and I haven't looked back. You can still get this tool for under $20, and I think it is a must-have for both professional and DIY mechanics. Next up is easily the people's choice for best tool, and that one comes from Gear Wrench. I say it's the people's choice because I recently put up a video about it, and the internet went crazy. It's easily the most viewed video on my channel. It got hundreds of thousands of views, and people who have it say how much they love it. People who don't have it want to know how to get it. This is a Serpentine Belt toolkit, and I use it to release the serpentine belt from any engine I'm working on. So this kit has 13 different attachments, and I can use those to fit just about any tensioner on the market. Those attachments fit into this ratcheting wrench, so you can use it at any angle, plus this bar fits at the other end to give you lots of leverage to overcome the pressure on that spring. If you're shopping for a professional mechanic, this set would be a no-brainer, but at $60 you have to weigh whether a DIY mechanic is going to be using this often enough to make it worth it. Next, we've got this oil filter wrench master set, which are all designed to fit onto a 3/8 inch ratchet that you've already got in your toolbox. Those spin-on oil filters are designed to be spun on by hand, but if you've ever been to a quick lube place, you know that those guys can tighten them way too much, and by the time your car comes back to the shop, it's really difficult to get those oil filters off. Plenty of companies make oil filter pliers, and they work pretty well. Most mechanics have those in their toolbox. What makes this set different is that there are 21 wrenches included, which are designed to perfectly fit oil filters so that they don't slip off. On top of that is this 3/8 drive end, which I can attach to any of my adapters. So I can do that, and I can get up into hard to reach areas where I couldn't do it with a pair of pliers. Some cars have really tricky access to those oil filters, and something like this just makes that job so much easier, and I'm glad that I have it. A set like this retails for over $110, so in my opinion it's a professional tool because a DIY mechanic just isn't going to use it often enough to make that worth it. From my shop to yours, have a very happy and healthy Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, Christmas, holiday season. Thanks for watching.